May pahabol po. Nagpabasa po ng statement si Ms. Sas Logando Sasot. Mayroon po siyang invitation, ngunit siya po ay nasa ibang bansa. Basahin ko na lang po yung kanyang excuse letter na tinatawag ng mga kongresista. Dear Honorable Dan Fernandez, I have just read today from the Inquirer that you have invited me to a hearing about the speech of Honorable Representative Robert A. Barbers. I have not been living in the Philippines since August 2023. I have received a scholarship from the ASEAN-China Young Leaders Scholarship Program Committee based in Jakarta, Indonesia, and was given a chance to continue my academic career as a PhD student of international relations here in Beijing, where I am building a framework that would integrate insights in Confucianism, Taoism, Buddhism, Neo-Calvinist perspective, modern physics, machine learning, and social studies into a complexity science-based theoretical framework. Makakomento lang po ako, yung framework ni Sas ang talino ng tunog, ano? Pero ang Kongreso, nagpo-propose sila ng regulatory framework na maliwanag na labag sa saligang batas. Comparison lang po. Hindi ko matiis. Okay. Sorry po. To continue, your committee is supposed to deal with, quote, all matters directly and principally relating to the suppression of criminality, unquote. In line with the stated mission of your committee, I am attaching a copy of 26 Capital et al. Versus Tiger Resorts Asia et al. CA number 2023-0128-JTL. Concerning a broken deal case involving a SPAC transaction, that's an intercorporate instrument, transaction in relation to Okada Casino. It was decided by James Travis Laster, Vice Chancellor of the Delaware Court of Chancery in the United States. One of the material facts needed to be established in that case is whether Universal Entertainment Corporation, the parent company of Okada Casino, bribed House Speaker Martin Romualdez. In parenthesis, the famous heavy luggage issue. After 5 days of trial in 2023 with testimonies of 13 fact witnesses and 4 expert witnesses and 2,281 exhibits, including deposition transcripts from 29 individuals, VC Laster has established as material fact that House Speaker Martin Romualdez received a, quote, dodgy bargain, unquote, through the intercession of Michelle Lazaro and James Lorenzana, friends of Mr. Romualdez. The pertinent material findings of this American judge is, quote, it nevertheless appears that Lazaro and Lorenzana brokered a dodgy bargain in which they offered to have Romualdez intervene in return for 1, increased control over Casino Coast Board, 2, compensation of $35,000 per month, net of taxes, 3, employment agreements for the local executives like Yip and Van der Sande, and 4, quote, item for Romualdez, unquote. Attached is a copy of the decision of VC Laster, which you can also download from the website of the Delaware Court of Chancery. She attaches the link. As bribery is criminal, I hope you will give this due attention because your committee is tasked to, I repeat, deal with, quote, all matters directly and principally relating to the suppression of criminality, unquote. Thank you. Kind regards, Sas Logando Sasa.